So you may have seen one of our other videos where we talk about the different types of cervical adjusting. Here with my man Dom, what we're gonna do, we're gonna use a thumb move. And again, there's different types of thumb moves. This is more of a flick. It goes more importantly with what's called coupled motion. So a lot of chiros, they adjust, but if you don't actually respect the way the spine moves, you get adjusted, you feel really good, then you leave, and then you're in pain. And so this is super important. So we're gonna breathe in, all the way out, head relax, drop it right there. How's that, man?
I feel amazing.
Come on. And so the difference is that's a flick like that, totally different adjustment. Come on.
And that was crucial.
Face down.